Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today with this video we are going to discuss about the Indian Institute of Management Raipur. So if we consider IIM Raipur, then it provides the PGP program and it participates in the common admission process for the admission. So if we consider the overall shortlisting criteria through CAP round for IIM Raipur, then it is 73 percentile for all the three sections for the general category and overall it is 94 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. For EWS and NCOBC, it is 50 percentile in all the three sections and 77 percentile with your CAT entrance examination. For SC category, it is 44 percentile in all the three sections and 60 percentile with your CAT entrance examination. For ST and DAP, it is 25 percentile with the quantitative ability and DILR, 30 percentile in the VRC, and overall it is 40 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. So if we consider the final selection criteria, then in the final selection criteria, 25% weightage is given to your CAT score, 6% weightage is given to the quantitative ability, 5% weightage is given to the DILR and 6% weightage is given to the VRC section. Then 23% weightage is given to the personal interview. So overall your CAT and sectional percentile, and if we consider the personal interview, then overall it has 65% weightage. Then remaining 35% weightage is given to the profile. So in that 2% weightage is given to the diversity, 10% weightage is given to the profile, 2% weightage is given to the consistency, 1% weightage is given to the degree program duration. So this is all about the academic profile. Then 6% weightage is given to the gender diversity, 12% weightage is given to the work experience and 2% weightage is given to the personal profile mapping. Then if we consider the weightage given for the class 12th standard, then if your marks ranges in between 50 to 60, for that there is 1 point. If it ranges in between 60 to 70, for that there are 2 points. If it ranges in between 70 to 80, for that there are 3 points. If it ranges in between 80 to 90, for that there are 4 points. And if it is 90% or more than that, then for that there are 5 points. Then if we consider the weightage given for the work experience, then if you have a work experience in between 3 to 12 months, for that there are 3 points. If it is in between 12 to 18 months, for that there are 6 points. If it is in between 18 to 24 months, for that there are 8 points. If your work experience ranges in between 24 to 30 months, for that there are 12 points. If it ranges in between 30 to 36 months, for that there are 8 points. If your work experience ranges in between 36 to 42 months, for that there are 4 points. And if it ranges in between 42 to 48 months, for that there are 2 points. So this is all about the selection criteria for IIM Raipur. Now coming to the overall batch profile. So if we consider the overall batch profile for IIM Raipur, then there are 46% candidates are the female candidates and 54% candidates are the male candidates. If we consider it in terms of the academic background, then there are 69% candidates are with the engineering academic background, 7% candidates are from the science, 3% candidates are from the arts, 1% candidates are from the medical, 12% candidates are from the commerce and accounting, 7% candidates have the academic background as management and 1% candidates have the academic background other than this. If we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 54% candidates have the work experience in between 0 to 11 months, 11% candidates have the work experience in between 12 to 23 months, 19% candidates have the work experience in between 24 to 35 months, and 16% candidates have the work experience of 36 months or more than that. There are 50% candidates have the work experience in IT and ITES, 20% candidates have the work experience in manufacturing, 21% candidates have the work experience in others, then 4% candidates have the work experience in BFSI, 3% candidates have the work experience in consulting and 2% candidates have the work experience in FMCG. If we consider the overall placements for the IIM Raipur, then the highest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 67.60 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 21.04 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 20 lakhs per annum. Then there are top 10% candidates are with the average CTC of 34.64 lakhs per annum. Top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 28.25 lakhs per annum and top 50% candidates have the average salary package of 24.77 lakhs per annum. If we consider the sector-wise placements, then there are 32% placements are from the BFSI, and for that the average salary package is 21.04 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this sector, it is nearly up to 32.50 lakhs per annum. If we consider the FMCG and FMCD, then there are 12% placements are from this sector. The average salary package offered with this sector, it is nearly up to 21.78 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered with this sector, it is nearly up to 67.60 lakhs per annum. There are 23% placements are from the IT and ITES. The average salary package offered with this sector, it is nearly up to 20.61 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package offered is 43.43 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider there are 12% placements are from the manufacturing. The average package with this sector, it is nearly up to 22.39 lakhs per annum, and the highest package is 62 lakhs per annum. There are 7% placements are the miscellaneous. So the highest salary package with this is nearly up to 32.65 lakhs per annum, and the average package is 21.51 lakhs per annum. 14% placements are from the strategy and consulting. The highest salary package for this, it is nearly up to 32.21 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package is 19.64 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the domain-wise placements, then for sales and marketing, the average salary package is 20.98 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package is 67.60 lakhs per annum. For analytics and consulting, the average salary package is 19.14, and the highest is 32.21. For financial management, the average salary package is 20.93, and the highest salary package is 32.50. For general management, the average salary package is 22.94 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package is 62 lakhs per annum. For the operations and IT, the average salary package is 22.88 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary package is 43.43 lakhs per annum. If we consider the overall top recruiters for the IIM Raipur, then those are Accenture Strategy, Adani, Aditya Birla Group, EXL, Infosys, TCS, S-Bank, HDFC Bank, Hero, Ultratech, Cognizant, Capgemini, Dalmia, Deloitte, and there are so many companies are over there. If we consider the fees for the 2 years of MBA or PGDM program for the IIM Raipur, then it is nearly up to 16.50 lakhs. So this is all about the Indian Institute of Management Raipur. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.